Introducing the new VIS-Check Road Simulator, a suspension and steering diagnostic system from Vehicle Inspection Systems. The road simulator recreates road conditions safely and easily in the shop, allowing technicians to view undercarriage components so they can easily detect mechanical issues. The vehicle is inspected one axle at a time by positioning an axle on the road simulator plates. The plates recreate road conditions by moving front to back and in and out. The lifting jack is used to reduce weight from components during parts of the inspection. The inspector activates the plates and jack with a handheld controller to inspect common items like kingpins, shock mounts, U-bolts, spring pin assemblies, and more. Ideal for general service shops, suspension and alignment shops, fleets, or anyone inspecting commercial vehicles. The VIS-Check Road Simulator automates the inspection process to reduce service times by finding problem areas quickly and improving overall vehicle safety. By automating the inspection process, it reduces time in finding problems and increases accuracy.